So I'm on loaf attempt number 4 for the round loaf. Some things I'm changing this time is I got some fine sea salt, and I don't know if that makes a difference. I know my starter is at absolute peak right now. Like, it's very nice. And I got some new tools just in case it is the materials and not the user that is the problem. So I got a nice new bread whisk thing, some fancy bowls for them to proof in, an actual scoring knife, one of these fancy, like, mover around the bread on the counter things. I don't know what they're called. It's actually pretty sharp. I was kind of surprised by that. And one of these bread slings, fancy. So I don't know if accurate and better tools is going to make any difference. We'll see. I'm also going to mix it and proof it in a plastic bowl instead of stainless steel. See if that makes a difference. I don't know. Also, the time I'm starting right now, it's looking like I'm probably going to have to get up in the middle of the night to bake it. If I do it by the hours, which, again, I don't know enough about the bread to know when it's done proofing. So I'm just going to go by hours this time and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Actually, here we not go, because I don't have the recipe in front of me, so I gotta go get that. Alright, 50 grams of starter. Here it comes. I don't know if I already said this, but excuse me looking like a lumberjack today. It was very blustery and cloudy and nasty all day, and I just did not feel like putting on anything normal. I mean, I don't really care about my looks terribly a whole lot at any given time, but this is definitely a rainy or cloudy day look for me. Alright, I'm at 49.6, and I can't get the last little... Alright, there we go. 50.6. I hope that's good. And I'm going to go clear it out. How much water? 350 grams. Warm water. I'm going to do room temperature water. What is it, Bubba? I'm at 345 right now. This is always the tricky part. 350.5. Close enough. Alright, I'm going to whisk these two. You'll actually give them a little vigorous whisk. What is it, Bubba? I'll hold you just a second, buddy. Alright. 9 grams of fine sea salt. And 500 grams of bread flour. He did have quite a bit of chicken. Oh my gosh, this one is wet. It feels very wet. I'm not sure. I guess that's mine at this point. I know you want more, buddy. Some chicken. Okay, well, this is what she looks like. Very wet. Don't know why. I've used the same exact formula every time, and this one feels really wet. I don't know. I'm going to put a towel over it. Hope for the best. I'm beginning to question if I did my measuring wrong, because this is very wet. But I'm going to attempt to stretch and fold it. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, it stretches and folds easily, that's for sure. I think my son wants to go on TV. I don't know if Daddy's going to comply. Doesn't sound like it. And I don't think it's going to go. Sorry, son. Alright. After working it, I feel a little bit better. Back in the pot to rise some more. Okay, this is my last time before eating this thing. Stretchy folds. It's got decent consistency. I don't know, I feel so confident at this stage, and then it's in the proofing when it goes wrong. Alright, that's it. It's 9 o'clock. I'm going to set my alarm for like 5 a.m. or something insane to get up and shape this bread, so maybe I don't overproof it. I don't know. I've lost my ever-loving mind. It's 5 a.m. I did not sleep well because I knew that this alarm was coming. The good news is, I guess, that the dough looks pretty good. At least, if I got up this morning, I'll know if it was my timing or not. So, let's see if it comes out like everybody else has done so far. Not happening. I just don't understand how people get theirs to just fall out without sticking. What else? Alright, we're gonna shape it. I got some air bubbles. I don't know what that means. Let's go run it. Okay, well, for better or worse, we're going in the actual fancy pan, and I'm going to use this thing to put it in there. That did not work very well. And I'm going back to bed for maybe an hour. Alright guys, I'm kind of excited because after the second rise, I actually have rise, which I've never had before after a second rise. At least noticeable at all. But, this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like my belly after a C-section, honestly. Exactly what it looks like. Anyhow, got to plop it in this parchment paper here, and flip it into the Dutch oven. Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta put rice in the Dutch oven and ice. So I'm gonna turn it off and do that real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, here goes nothing. It's starting to stick a little bit. Oh my gosh. This is so frustrating. Yeah, it's lost all its shape, and I've lost all my hope. Oh my gosh. I put flour on this. Cannot win. I don't even know if it's worth trying to score this. I'm gonna go for it. I have nothing to lose. So frustrated. And it like didn't hold its shape. It flattened out bad. So maybe I've underproofed this one because I didn't give it enough time. I don't know. I am so beyond irritated. I'm just gonna keep trying. Alright, scoring knife doesn't really. Maybe it helped a little bit. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's working any better than my regular knife. So it's definitely the process. It's not the tools. It won't even like. I'm just so mad. So mad. Put her in. Barely get her in. Alright. Here goes nothing. Best look so far, but still not great. Well, despite my naysaying, it's the best loaf that I've made so far. Still got a ways to go, but improvement, which is, I guess, all I can ask for. There it is. Hot off the press. Decent color. Starting to get a little bit of brown. Okay, the bottom's not overdone. But anyhow, it looks like it did start to open up some on the top, so there's some improvements here. But I don't know. We'll see how it tastes in an hour or so. Good flavor. I like it. A few more tweaks and I'm there. I think either I'm not using my starter at the right time or it's still the proofing section that is just killing me. I either underproof, overproof. I just don't know what the exact timing is yet, but I'm getting there and I'm gonna get it.